guys, happy Friday. So just a little sidebar here before we start today's video. So I used to do my live streams on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I'm going to start doing them on Thursdays and Sundays. So I tried to do one tonight, which is a Friday. You'll get this video tomorrow, which will be Saturday. But anyway, I want to say something about live streams, okay? And I'm doing a giveaway. So if you look over here, I'm not going to move this because my tripod might fall. Is this nice wireless scale. Really, hold on, Johnstone hat fell, of course. Nice wireless scale. So a couple of gentlemen, I gave away a couple things, okay? I gave away that very, very nice Inficon refrigerant leak detector. Went fairly smooth. You know, obviously I have to vet people because some people just want to get on the live stream, which is what we're going to get at right here in a second. Want to get on a live stream, get something for free. They don't want to be vetted. They want something for free. They don't care how they get it. They're just greedy, right? That's not what this channel is going to be about. I will not just give stuff away unless I know who the hell you are, okay? So I gave that refrigerant leak detector away to the one guy. He received it. All was good. He's very appreciative. I have a good feeling that he's somebody that can put it to good use. And then another gentleman, just because he was on there being cool and seemed like a really great guy, I gave him a 6-pack of this beer. And you can only get it over here. It's right here, local to Central Oregon. It's a Juicy Drama, 9.6% IPA. I love it. So let's start there. So I did the live stream tonight because, like I told you, I'm doing it on Fridays now. I did it on Friday this week just because of family. I couldn't do it yesterday. Okay. I got a bunch of clowns on there, really, saying I want this scale. I need it, and then I look at their Facebook page. I look at their YouTube page. They're not an HVAC. They're not anything remotely desperate to need this tool. So I'm not putting you on the list. I got a list of people that I'm going to give this to. You're not on it, okay? Don't do that, and I'm letting you know. So my next live stream will be on Thursday. No, sorry. My next live stream will be on Sunday, because I'm going to do Thursday and Sunday as a rule here going forward. But don't get on my live stream and try to steal this thing from me. It's not going to happen. I'm going to vet you. Don't get on. If you use a fake name or something, you don't have any background on your YouTube page. For one, that's the first thing I'm going to look at. I know you're a fucking scammer, okay? Do not scam me. I'm tired of it. I've had Ted, anti-DIY. He's a scammer. He gets on with fake names. I got all these people trying to get something for nothing. Work for it. I work my ass off every goddamn day, or at least I do for my age. I do pretty damn good. So quit it. You'll get something from me for free when you've earned it. Otherwise, you're going to have to work for it. I'm not just going to hand it out. That's all I'm going to say. Tired of this crap. Yeah, see that back there? Yeah, they say HVAC is easy. I've whatever that says. Yeah, it hurts. I'm not just going to give something to you. I worked my ass off to get to where I am. Do not try to scam me. Anyway, that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I got a couple things. It was kind of a problem today, but it's fine. It's fine. You know what? I've been dealing with it forever. Yeah, and so if I got a new entry today, I was going to take a shot of Fireball for every person that entered. That would have been fun. Maybe I get a little drunker. I just had a couple beers today. I'm good. But I wanted to have some shots because I want to get enough entries to give this thing away. That's what I really want to do. So anyway, enjoy today's video. You'll see what we went through. If you want to skip through all this crap, you probably will. I don't blame you. But anyway, that is what it is. I've said my piece. Enjoy it. All right, we're back at the old Hack Mansion, day number whatever it is.
6.
We got our quick sling stand, 18-inch stand. Matt's getting everything laid out. Going to get that put together. I'm going to go ahead, now that I got the material to do it, get this guy put out through the left side of the unit so we can come out through that hole, get that over to there. So I'm going to start working on that, get that braced on. He's going to level off. Let me show you. So I got 4 of these cinder blocks here. So what we're going to do is we're going to embed these down into the dirt, and then we'll have each of our plates for our quick sling stand on these. And it'll be kind of awkward with this double fan unit here, so I'll put some seismic braces on the top, some drive or something to stabilize it. So that's what we'll get started on. I'll show you as we move along. Okay guys, show you what we've done so far. So I got this pain in the butt 1/2-inch ran through the closet. It had to turn that way, had to go down, had to turn again, had to turn. I'll show you outside real quick, and I'll show you what's really holding up today. Well, as per usual, nothing could ever go smooth on these jobs that are far away from home. So let me show you what we've done so far. My brother got our stand put together. There she is in all her glory, 18 inches. Got to do that out here. It snows a lot. He's out here getting these blocks set. We're going to inset them in the dirt so they're low and low. That'll work. Okay. We had to chop this bush here so we can get the other one right here and miss this sprinkler head, which is right here. Can't be in front of our disconnect, obviously, or any of this stuff, so we're kind of restricted to here over. And here's the rest of my my 1/2-inch here. Ugh. And I'll run the quarter will be easy because it bends easy. We got through there. There it goes up through the. I like to do sweeps whenever I can. Goes up through there. And it was going to be too much to try and do it all in one piece with all the bends. So I just I used my tubing benders, put a bend there. So we'll just have we'll have another connection here. So let me show you what's holding all that up though, on why I cannot get any of that completed as far as making the connections. Let's go outside. Let's go out in the front real quick. It's getting muddy too because it's warming up. So we got trying to mitigate making this place a mess. It's Friday, and I got to go out and do starting up a Mr. Cool for a guy. I think it's actually a Senville. I'm gonna start it for him tomorrow. I should say no to that stuff, but I like cash money. So, but anyway, I had to bleed out this tank. This is the way they gave it to me, with the stem broken off of it. I couldn't open it. I couldn't get anything on there bite to open up this tank, so it's a waste. That was my backup for today. My other one I used up, so that's holding up everything. I got a bunch of brace joints I got to do, and yes, I'm going to flow nitro, but that's holding up this Friday. Look at this place. Oh. All right, got the stand all set. I'm going to get probably 3 or 4 more little bags of pea gravel. Make this look all nice here. Be good for defrost drainage too. And, you know, I don't have any anchors that are that big. So I just drilled my own holes and used some little concrete anchors with these screws. I got 2 in each foot. So it should work out pretty good. I'm going to go unbolt the unit from the pallet. And we will get him set. Got about 12 inches off the wall there. Should be good. All right, my brother and I got this thing up on this 18-inch stand. I got the heavy side, and I can tell you, I almost lost it, but I got it. That might be pretty much all we do today. We're gonna bolt this guy down. We might run the quarter for this, but if I can't brace any of my connections and stuff, I don't want to run all the other stuff with it because it doesn't end up being, you know, the same length and everything, end up fighting it. So I think I'll just wait till I get my tanks full for Monday. It's Friday anyway. We don't need to kill ourselves. But yeah, let's come back and take a look at this. Pretty gaudy, huh? But man, this is sure gonna be nice compared to what they had. So let's bolt this guy down. Alrighty, got her all bolted down. Gonna do some cleanup. Sits nice and level perfectly in both directions, level and plumb. Monday we'll have all these pulled through, ready to flare everything in. What I like about the Bosch is, and I have a bunch of these already because I don't use barely any of them. When I buy them, but they give you every adapter imaginable. Mitsubishi, take note, they give you every adapter imaginable, so if you have different sizes you can attach them without having to buy something separate. So that's what I like about the Bosch. Anyway, we're gonna do some cleanup. Let me put these down, put these back in here. And anyway, let me show you what this is. So it is the Bosch BMS 500 4-ton 5-zone. All right, let's clean up. Blocking the license plate. So yeah, I'd like to say this job's going smooth, but it is not. A lot of little things, but we'll get it. I always do. Jobs always get done. But yeah, like I said, we can wait till we start that phase up there. That should be fun. I might actually stay here when we do that one. I'm sure he don't care. Anyway, we're out of here. I'm tired. Been kind of dripping and drizzling on us all day. Snow's melting, warming up temporarily.